You know, most of you know I guide over 70 days a year at the elk ranch, and we harvest a lot of elk. And the biggest problem we have is not having a sharp knife. Well, hey, we cured that problem. We've been using the Work Sharp knife sharpener for a couple of years now, and boy, it makes a difference. This knife sharpener comes with 2 sets of blade guides on it. This one here, let's first start off kitchen knives. Let me show you how the kitchen knife works right quick. Put a kitchen knife in there, turn it on. Now let the machine do the work, folks. That's what it's all about, is this belt sander. Folks, this will do every knife in your kitchen. It'll do them all. It comes with several belts, the coarse, the medium, and a fine. If you want to get it ridiculously sharp, go through them 3 belts and do it like they say right here on this easy guide. Folks, it'll really work. Change the kitchen knife guide, put on the hunting knife guide, and you can sharpen every hunting knife you own. Take off your knife guides and you can sharpen your gut hooks razor sharp. You know, the other great product that Work Sharp has come out with is the Ken Onion Work Sharp knife and tool sharpener. Folks, it acts just like the other one. It'll sharpen all your big knives. You put it in there and run it through and bring it up and follow the guide that they provide, and it'll do a good job. If you want to change it to a kitchen knife right quick, that's how quick it is. You don't have to take that off on the Ken Onion model. Like I said, this or the original one will sharpen every knife that you own. I don't care what it is. And most tools on your construction site like I've got here are around the house. Go to the website, check it out, and you'll be really happy.